Recording a YouTube video is different from recording any other random video. There are things you need to put into consideration for you to record a high quality and an engaging video for your YouTube channel. Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Modesta and thanks for stopping by to watch this video. In this video today, I'll be teaching you on how you can record a high quality video for your channel using your phone. To begin with, you will require a phone with a good quality camera. If your phone has a poor camera, then you can go ahead and download an artificial app. We have apps that aid in video recording, and an example is an open camera. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to recommend something that can be of help to you. For the first time, I'm using an artificial app recording my video. I've been using my phone and it hasn't been doing me justice. So if you find the quality of this video impressive, then you can also go ahead and download an artificial camera app from your App Store or your Play Store and then try it out. I don't know how this video is going to come out. I'm trying this so that I can compare it with my other videos. If it doesn't do me the justice I need, then I'll just go back to using my phone camera. Another thing you will need is a good microphone. Again, if your phone doesn't have a good microphone, you can go ahead and purchase an external microphone that will help you to capture your audio nicely. But my phone is doing me justice in this, so I'm used to using my phone. But of course, with time, I'll get a microphone so that I give you good quality, right? Next is enough storage. Ensure you have enough storage on your phone before you begin recording a YouTube video for you to avoid issues of stopping and starting again and deleting things. And I've been a victim of this. Sometimes I could begin recording and my video stops, so I had to go back, clear space, then come back to continue recording. You don't want to go through that. It is hectic and it can give you a migraine. So you need to have, I can recommend maybe at least 5 GB, but have as much storage space as possible. But as a beginner, if you don't have that a lot of space, then you can do it my way. I record one video, edit, upload, delete, record another. So whichever way you do it, ensure that your videos are not being affected. Also, the amount of space on your phone will depend on the video you want to record. A high quality video will require a lot of space, and also a long video definitely will require more space than a shorter one. So depending on what you want to record, gauge your space. You can also go ahead and back your space up using external storage space. It can be a memory card or any other external storage space that you may want to use. Personally, I don't store my videos anywhere else apart from my phone, but it has been a challenge, so I always record one video at a time, edit it, upload it, delete it, so I don't have footages of my previous videos in my phone. This helps me to at least create some space, but of course with time, again, we will be bettering this. But as a beginner who doesn't have a lot of money to purchase all the external things, you can bank on your phone and do it my way. You will also require a stand to keep your videos stable. You can go ahead and use a tripod stand or any other stand that will help you hold your phone in place and avoid you shaking it. If you bank on holding your phone in your hand, then you may get tired or end up shaking it, hence a poor quality video. Even though this will depend on the video you are shooting. If it is a vlog, then it is fine. You can walk around with your camera, holding it in your hands and shaking it as much as you want. Okay, not as much as you want, but a sit down video and a tutorial like the one I'm doing here needs to be stable and not shaky. So after having these things, you go ahead and set up. Before you set up, you need to identify a location. Where are you going to record your videos from? Ensure you choose a well-lit location. By a well-lit location, I mean the place you're shooting your videos from should have good lighting. I prefer using natural lighting, but you can also back up the natural light with a ring light or an external light. Like, I don't think this lighting is doing me justice. I'm having lighting from this side and this side and not enough from this side. But anyway, we use whatever is available. So for you to use natural lighting, you ensure that you are seated where the light is coming from the front of you, and not where the light is coming from front of you and not the back. I don't know if I am understood. You can also back up your lighting using external lighting like a ring light or so, just for clarity. Or maybe when you're shooting your videos in the dark, then you will need external lighting. But a video with good lighting is a good quality video. Your location should be free from noise. Choose a quiet location that is free from distraction. Like I said before, it will also depend on which type of video you are shooting. If it is a vlog and you are doing it from town, it is hard to limit the noise. But for such a video like this, you need to find a quiet space that is free from distractions. Anyway, I live in the village and sometimes it is difficult to get quiet spots. But today I tried. At least there are no cocks crowing in my background, so crickets, or whatever. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss such informative videos. After identifying a spot, you go ahead and set up your equipment. When recording your videos, ensure that your phone is on landscape or horizontal. I'll use this. Ensure your phone is this way and not this way. Full YouTube videos are recommended to be on landscape mode. Also, maintain an eye contact with your audience like I am doing. Focus on the lens and not on the screen. You can see the difference. This way, I am looking on the screen of my phone. This way, I am looking on the lens, and you can differentiate how my eye contact is with you when I'm looking on my lens and when I'm looking on the screen. Many a times if you look on the screen like I'm doing, you get distracted, and also your audience is not going to feel like you are talking to them. You remember those photos we had in our house a long time ago, and when you pass there, you'll be like, this person is staring at me from whichever corner? Yes, if you look at your lenses, then you're going to have a direct eye contact with whoever is watching your video, and that is engaging and encouraging. Also, you want to ensure that your camera is focused. Ensure that it is capturing whatever is required and not blurring. You can use whichever camera on your phone, whether the back camera or the front camera. The back camera usually gives a good quality, but I would advise you to use the selfie camera because you want to ensure that it is recording. So you keep seeing, yeah, it's recording. Sometimes you can be using a back camera and you end up talking to yourself and realize that you didn't press the record button. And nobody wants to go through that. Nobody wants to redo their work. Guys, and before I forget, remember to put your phone on airplane mode so that you don't get distracted with messages and phone calls coming in. That's it, guys. Ensure you put these points into consideration if you are filming your videos for you to end up with good quality videos. If you found this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn the post notification button so that you may get notified whenever I post such videos. I'll be uploading a video of how you can edit your videos using a phone after this video. So stick by and watch that video. Bye bye guys.